Hi everyone, and welcome to the CourseLeaf CIM user guide. In part 2 of this series, we will cover the course information section of the form. So let's begin filling out the form. Your name should populate in the originator field, and just below that you can add a co-contributor using the drop-down menu. Select any faculty member that will be assisting with writing or editing the course. And to add an additional name, you can select the green plus sign, and to remove them, you press the red X. And if you leave this section blank, only you as the originator will be able to edit the course. For college, you'll select Oxnard College from the drop-down menu, and then you will select the appropriate division for the course. And for this example, we will select Liberal Studies. And this will generate a list of departments currently assigned to that division. So we'll select the appropriate department that we want to work on, and for this example, we'll create a history course. You will see a number to the right of the department. That is a banner code, so you don't need to worry about it, but that's just something new. Next, we have the needs statement. This should tell the curriculum committee how this course fits into the curriculum at Oxnard College. For instance, which majors require this course. Please also list the following if applicable. Typical or local transfer institutions require this course in a major. It's GE applicable. It's aligned with CID. It's placed within a basic skills sequence. Its function as a prerequisite or co-requisite for a course or program. Its requirement as part of a state or national certification or licensure, and other purposes for Oxnard College to offer this course. For our example, we will be creating a U.S. history course, so I will paste a needs statement for that. And anytime you see these marks in the bottom right-hand corner of a box, you can drag it to make it larger. That way you can see all of the text. Next, we have attach support documentation. CIM allows you to attach documents such as articulation agreements, CID descriptors, labor market data, or anything that supports the need for the course or its revision. Simply select Attach File, choose the file you want to attach, and you will see it listed under Files to be uploaded, and then you can remove it as well. Next is discipline. So we will select History for our example. For CTE courses, the course discipline should match typical industry standards, comparable disciplines within the district, and/or CID disciplines, if applicable. For non-CTE courses, the course discipline should match typical transfer disciplines or CID. If the course is offered at our sister colleges and is assigned to a different discipline, ask yourself if there is good reason for assigning it to an alternate discipline. Make sure to assign disciplines carefully, as there can be issues that pertain to minimum qualifications, longevity, and hiring. If you need to update or change the discipline listed, please email me. Alright, so now we have course numbers. These should be assigned in consultation with the Academic Affairs Office to avoid reusing numbers previously assigned to other courses. Your course number should begin with a capital R and then the numbers without any spaces. So I will put R131 for our example. Courses that are non-transferable must be below 100. Courses that are transferable must be 100 or above. Non-credit courses must be 800 or above. And then your course should not have a letter after the number unless there is or will be a sequence of courses, or if it is a lab course or a support course. Honors courses should have an H after the course number. R089 and R189s are reserved for special topics courses. R098 and R198s are reserved for experimental courses. R199 is reserved for directed studies courses. And for new courses, if the course exists within CID, matching the CID number is recommended if possible. If a course is not a CID course but a CID descriptor with the same course number exists within the same discipline, it is best to avoid using that number to avoid confusion for students and counselors. For new courses, if the course exists within the district, numbers should be aligned when possible. So now we have course title. The course title should be brief while still providing enough information so that students, articulating institutions, and employers can easily identify the purpose of the course. It should match CID, transfer institutions, comparable district courses, and/or industry standards. Even though it says 100 characters remaining, Banner only allows a maximum of 68 characters in this field, so make sure it's under 68. Our example will be United States history. And then we have the banner/short title. This cannot be more than 30 characters, including spaces. If your full title is under 30 characters, which ours is, we'll include the same one here. If your title is over the 30 character max, the banner title should be as close to the full title as possible. Currently, the banner title is all students see on the online course schedule, and it also prints on the transcript. For credit type, you have two options. Select credit for all courses that provide unit credit, which will be the majority of courses. Select non-credit for courses that do not provide unit credit. Below credit type, we have the honors field. CIM will default to no, but if it is an honors course, select yes. CIM is also programmed to require a course number that includes an H to indicate the honors designation. The start term selected should be for the following fall, or 1 year. This is the same as the catalog date. Exceptions would be courses that are only adding the DE appendix, changing SLOs, or changing credit by exam status. Use the current term for these exceptions as those changes are effective immediately. For new courses that are UC transferable and require IGETC approval, it is a 2-year process. So for our example, we will select fall 2021. All right, well that brings us to the end of this section. In the next video, we will work on the course details. If you have any questions, you can post them to the forum on the Canvas training course, or feel free to contact me directly.